Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm gonna discuss the recent changes from Etsy, the free shipping policy on orders of 35 and above to shoppers in the US, and also dropping shop names. I had a few days to kind of gather my thoughts around this trending topic. It was pretty big on my Etsy Facebook group. And I also was reading it on Reddit, other forums, and even on Etsy's community board. And I absolutely love Etsy. Etsy has been a platform that has made me understand e-commerce a lot more, even though I've been in the digital space for 10 years. Etsy has been a vital instrument for me to learn about e-commerce and take my business to the next level, develop this YouTube channel where I help Etsy sellers develop my courses, my freelance, and etc. So this type of video is almost like I don't want to say anything bad about Etsy, but I personally don't agree that sellers who offer free shipping on orders of 35 and more should get first placement in the search results. I think it's wrong. I personally have 6 stores. 5 of them are digital goods. They're instant downloads and digital products that I sell. So on those stores, it's not really affected, I guess, because they're digital products. However, on my candle store, it is affected. And it's one of those things that I understand that major companies offer free shipping like Amazon Prime, but having to force and make small business owners like myself and like you guys offer free shipping in order to rank higher in the search results, I don't think that's right. I don't want to sound ungrateful. And like I said, I absolutely love Etsy and the core values of giving handmade business a platform. And like I said, because of Etsy, I've been able to grow my business. But I guess for me personally, it's the fact that they're dictating how my listings will appear in the search results. Only, and the only factor behind it is because I offer free shipping. I do a lot of work on my Etsy listings by making sure that I'm using the right keywords for my target audience, that I'm promoting myself correctly, that I'm branding myself correctly, and the fact that now all that work just goes out the window because I don't offer free shipping on certain products or majority of my products in the candle store. I'm being forced basically to do so for in order to gain visibility. And I don't think this is a best tactic to have because I feel like Etsy is going to lose out on a lot of new Etsy sellers that probably were thinking of joining the platform. And I also think that Etsy sellers that have been in the platform even longer than me, I've been on the platform for 3 years, but people that have been longer, like 10 years or even more, might consider doing a second option, maybe having their own website, maybe going to Shopify, maybe going somewhere else because of these tactics that Etsy is enforcing for everyone to do. And for me, having to edit my prices to recover the cost of free shipping has been a headache. I had to do the changes to my candle store. I started yesterday, and it's not as easy as Etsy make it seems to be. Um, so for me, I just wanted to share my opinion based on having a business with Etsy the last 3 years, having successful businesses with Etsy. This has been one of the biggest changes that I've seen that has made me do a video. Normally, I don't voice my opinion about stuff like this, but this one is. Um, I understand why they're doing it, but just the fact that you are forcing Etsy sellers to do it to place higher in the search results, I don't think that's right. Another thing that is very upsetting is Etsy is doing a test right now, and they're thinking of dropping the shop name in the search results. So at the current moment, they're testing it out. So you have, maybe you noticed it, that you don't see the names anymore. You don't see the shop names when you do like a search, like right here. And maybe you haven't noticed it, like maybe you do still see the names. Now, I don't have the screenshot and I should have probably asked for it. But one of my friends that also has an Etsy shop, she's the one that noticed it. So when she does a search results, whether it's on Chrome or whether it's on Safari, the shop names are gone completely. All you see is the title, the reviews, like how many ratings they got, and the price of that particular item. However, the actual store name doesn't appear on the search results anymore. They're completely gone. And, I always preach about this on my videos. Growing a brand is an important factor for any business owners. And if somebody buys something from my shop and they say, oh, I got this Etsy critique from Nancy Marketing Tools, the fact that somebody gave my store name because they were impressed with my work or they enjoyed the review, and now this potential buyer is thinking of buying from me, but they can't search for my store. I don't know. It's just, the point of having your own business is to brand yourself as a business, to grow as a business, so people could start recognizing you. And that way you could grow bigger and charge premium prices. And the fact that they're wiping out the names from the search results is just very upsetting. Is removing brand recognition, basically. And brand recognition helps me get more sales. But if everything blends in with everyone else's listing, how am I supposed to stand out from the competitors? How am I supposed to grow my brand on Etsy? And how am I supposed to get those repeat customers because they see my name or my Etsy store name and they're like, oh, I bought from that store. I love their customer service, or I love their services. Let me just go ahead and purchase from them. How am I supposed to grow? And I think this is why I wanted to do the video, because I feel like not only does the shipping is one of those things that I don't think they should impose in people to do as small business owners, but on top of that, you're taking away our brand. So it technically looks like now when people are searching on the search results, it looks like everything in Etsy is Etsy. That's the brand. And we are no longer a brand, I guess. Even though when people click on the actual listing, they head to your store and the name is there. But the fact that when they're browsing through the search results, they can no longer see your name here. I think that's a big changer for me. I think that um, it's going to be a big changer for a lot of people if this test, they roll it out and they decide by the end of the month or whenever they're going to do it, that this is going to be the new change and they're going to remove people's names. I think having the name is great for brand recognition, and especially for repeat customers, because they see it and they're like, oh, I purchased from that store. Let me just go ahead and buy from them again. But the fact that the name is not there anymore, it's just, I don't know. It's just, I don't think it's right. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section what you think about the shipping, what you think about the possible of them removing our shop names from the search results. Good or bad, let me know. I'm interested in knowing everybody's feedback. And if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, hopefully you'll subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly videos to help Etsy sellers and small business owners grow their business, whether it's on Etsy or outside of Etsy as well. I might end up doing more videos on how to start your own website or Shopify, because I feel like this is going to probably be the route that I have to take from here on as well as an Etsy seller, is have my own stuff on the side and keep Etsy, because Etsy does drive a big revenue to my life, and I'm grateful for them, but is made me think a little bit different about them with the new changes and possible changes also with the change of the name. So leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thank you guys for listening to me, letting me vent, and thank you for sharing your thoughts as well.